quick update video. What's happening right now with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Luna? Let's watch Bitcoin. Okay, I'm recording Bitcoin, the 4-hourly. And like I told you, 2 days ago, we are forming here a big head and shoulder, right? You see shoulder, head, shoulder, the inverse Yarak, it called, also in German. So we see here this neckline, right? Look how perfectly it respects the line. We have connected the wicks, and here the next wick also connected. So everything is connected. I didn't redraw the line. This wick's connected by themselves, so it's perfectly. The price target right now of this inverse Yarak would be 35,200 approximately. I would take profits before 35,000. So this is an opportunity if we break around 30,200. So if we break with the clear 4-hourly candle, with the clear buying volume, we need a clear buying volume, then we can long Bitcoin here to approximately, wait a minute, I would take profits before, I would take profits even, you see here coming some resistance in, maybe even the first take profit area would be around 34,300. So then we're making 14% profit, and the next take profit area we could take before 35,000, so 35,900. So this would be around 16%. So this is a huge opportunity, but only if we break that neckline, guys, because if we not break that neckline, then we can starting short Bitcoin. If we break below 38,500, then we can short Bitcoin to at least previous low at 26,500. So it's 7.7%, right? 10x leverage is 77%, 5x leverage 35%. Here we have an opportunity for long Bitcoin if we break above 4-hourly candle, at least at 14%, 10x leverage is 140%, 5x leverage 70%. So this is a huge opportunity in my opinion. Now we can watch quickly Ethereum. Let us quickly watch Ethereum. In my opinion, it's very clear. If we break, if Bitcoin breaks the neckline, right, of 30,200 approximately, 30,100, we can long Ethereum. I would say the first price tag would be 2,112, so it's 3.7%, 10x leverage 37%, 5x leverage 15% approximately, and the second price tag would be 2,226 approximately, 9.3%, 10x leverage 93%, 5x leverage around 45%. If Bitcoin breaks below 29,500, no, I would say, wait a minute. Yes, if Bitcoin breaks below 29,500 approximately, we can short Bitcoin and we can short Ethereum. Wait a minute. And Ethereum, the first price target would be here around 1,950. It's 3.5%, 10x average 35%, 5x average 17%. And the second price target will be around 1,187 at 7%, 10x average 70%, 5x average 35%. This is on Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. And now quickly, again, you see, we didn't saw any volatility, and it's not because I'm a Nostradamus and you just have blindly to follow me what I'm saying. No, it's all about, because I told you, usually if we not see on Friday evening no volatility, we don't see throughout the weekend. This is exactly what happens every time. If we see high volatility, we see throughout the weekend. To my community who watching every video, you know it already. Today in the evening, to our new community again, today in the evening, I suppose we will see, I think we could see, or usually we see a huge volatility because the Asia market opens. So be prepared for it. If you're in a long or in a short, take profit, make a tight stop loss or move your stop loss to an entry position. Because usually when we are sleeping, Asia market open, we see this high volatility. If we don't see in the evening, then we see it at least at 9:30 when the stock market tomorrow open, right? So this is, be prepared for this. And also, guys, to everyone who's new to our community, Bybit offering right now 4,620 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit, and you get on Bybit 30 days zero maker fee. Go right now, especially in this time, it's very important. 30 days zero maker fee. Maker registration costs you 1 minute. And now we're watching Luna. And Luna, I told you guys, be very, very careful with Luna, because people are like, oh, wow, we're going to the moon right now. We're going to the moon. We saw here this huge pump, and everybody get wrecked, right? You see, look at this, man. This is crazy, man. It goes like I don't know, like nearly 10,000% up, and then it fell it fell all the way down, right? You see, it fell again all the way down. I told you guys, I told you, be very careful. Yes, there are huge opportunities, right? But you don't know, we can, if you think we cannot fall further down, then I can tell you we can fall even further down. You see, we can do 0.0000155 falling down. This is all no problem for Luna. So be prepared for this, guys. Yeah, like I told you, I wouldn't be here very careful, because if you buying here up Luna, this is like gambling, guys. This is 100% like gambling, because here whales are manipulating and shitting like they are going crazy, shitting on all the walls, all your faces, all your body. This is what they not usually do. Usually they shit only in your face while you're sleeping, you know, in your mouth. Therefore you cannot breathe properly while you're sleeping. So therefore be very careful. Here the whales are going crazy and the investors are all manipulating here us. Be very careful, guys. I expecting that we are even further going down, that we will see even right now we have 3 zeros. I expecting even that we see 4 zeros, right? That we are even going further down to see 4 zeros, right? So be very careful here right now, guys. Yeah, it's your decision. Yeah, I mean, if we're going to 0.0001 and then going up again, it could be 2000%. But guys, this is all gambling. This is all gambling. The investors are right now just using your money, stealing your money. Be very careful here with Luna. There's no clear decision. So be prepared, be very careful, guys. Right now, I tell you, in my opinion, it's very clear for Bitcoin to trading Bitcoin and some other altcoins like Luna and like Ethereum and other altcoins. You see, we have here a very nice head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, inverse Yarak. So if we break above 30,200, we can easily long to 34,300, right? This is an opportunity to long. I mean, to be safe, you can also take profits at 31,500, right? So this would be already, wait a minute, this would be already 4.4% opportunity. 10x 44%, 5x 22%. If we break below 28,800, we can say, or if we break below 29,500 with a clear 4-hourly candle, we can short down to 28,100, and second price tag would be previous low 26,500. So if we break down below 29,500, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other altcoins. If we break above 30,000, we can 30,200, 30,100, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other altcoins. And where you can do, guys, on Bybit with this bonus 4,620 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit. This is very important, guys. And you get 30 days zero mega fee. Go now, link is down below. Very important. What I also want to say, we see here right now on the RSI is forming a bearish divergence. You see RSI is going up while the price is going down. So this means a bearish divergence we see on the 4-hourly. It not means necessarily so you see huge dump, but at least a consolidation. And I mean, if we're zooming out, the probability that we are further going down than we are going up is more likely, because we are in a downtrend, right? And it's all about probabilities, guys. So the probability that we will break up, it's not so high that we break down, right? So please be very careful. We could see even a fake out. So therefore, I'm waiting for the 4-hourly candle to close. So watch out properly. And we see this on the 4-hourly RSI, a bearish divergence. Be prepared for it. In my opinion, very clear. If we break above the neckline, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other altcoins. If we break below 29,500 with 4-hourly candle, clear 4-hourly volume, we can short down Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins on Bybit with this bonus. If you have initial deposit, if you don't have initial deposit, you get 30 days zero mega fee anyway. So what you doing, guys? Tell me if you have any questions. Please also write down below. I'm answering nearly every question, guys. If I have time for it, I'm trying to do. Please write me down below. It helps also the algorithmic. And I kiss you and I see you with this herpes later. Mwah.